So Clumsy Queens is a, dare we say, a box for your lady parts. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is another box review. It is of Clumsy Queens. It actually comes with an intro letter and it says, "Dear Clumsy Queen, I'm delighted that you have chosen to take care of your lady jewels." So it's lady jewel box. All products are natural and it's best that you keep these items refrigerated and discard after 3 months of purchase. So let's see what we have in our box from Clumsy Queens.
Oh, comes with a card.
Let's see.
Alrighty.
Actually did not open this box. I got it, thought to open it, but I was like, let's open it on camera.
So it says, Clumsy Queens, pardon me please. And looks like it is directions. There are directions to how to use all the products in here.
Okay.
Alright, great.
Thank you.
Alright, so, oh, it smells nice.
It does.
Alright, so, this is what the box looks like.
So this again is the box for taking care of your feminine
needs. Yes.
So everything in here is all natural. Clumsy Queens is not mass produced. It's actually a homemade product. And I've seen that this person takes so much time to actually sit and make sure they've got the best as far as just making sure there's no chemicals in here. Everything is all natural, organic, and put together by hand. So I'm actually excited, and I think this will actually be a pretty decent box.
Great.
So let's get started.
Yes.
Let me get that card, and then we can pull out the stuff and I'll read it off.
So the first thing I grabbed looks like a little mini deodorant. It says Fully Aware, number 9.
Okay. All right, so number 9, Fully Aware, is a natural deodorant. It's made with baking soda, shea butter, and essential oils. It says just apply a thin layer in your thigh area.
Okay.
In your inner thigh and your crotch area.
Okay.
So it is deodorant for your lady parts. Actually, I put deodorant on my thighs. Do you know why?
Why?
When you're on the beach, it keeps you from chafing.
Doesn't
You
know.
got some nice thick thighs. Sometimes you gotta rub some deodorant on there to keep things nice and fragranty.
I see.
But no, it actually, if you're going to the beach, if you don't know this trick, rub deodorant on your inner thighs, and when you sweat, it will not, like, you won't be sweaty in your inner thigh area, and it helps with the chafing. Thick girls know what I'm talking about.
It actually smells really good.
Does it? Okay.
It has a little bit of a mentholy type of scent.
That's the essential oils. Like it a lot.
Too.
Excited to try that. All right, what else do we have in our Clumsy Queens box?
All right, so the next thing I see is this little mini box here. It says Taste It. Ooh, number 6.
Oh, okay. Number 6, Taste It, is citrus gummies.
Okay.
Okay, it's made with organic pineapple, mango, papaya, and grapefruit.
Oh no, I'm afraid.
So Taste It gummies are to be take 2. You take 2. 1 hour before you know, relations and stuff.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's what the citrus gummies are for.
Okay.
Store in a cool, dry place, but it ensures a good time.
Yes. Okay. Next item, the situation. Number 4.
Number 4. So, the situation allows you to have the benefits of a steaming experience from the comfort of and privacy of your own home.
Okay.
So this is to do a, we're going there, people. This is for vaginal steam.
Okay.
So a lot of people now do this, but it's actually something that's been done
For years.
For years. Mostly, in my knowledge, is overseas. So I actually did this after I had my daughter. And my mother's done it, and I know tons of people that have done it. It's just in our culture, a custom to do these. But
it's supposed to help with healing after having children, right?
But some people do it now to also keep things rejuvenated
and fresh.
And but it is actually very helpful after childbirth. So if you haven't heard of a vaginal steam, you should definitely look into it.
All right. Next item out of the box, My Serum.
Okay.
Number 2.
Okay. So My Serum is used to firm and tighten the vaginal area.
Okay.
It naturally gives you sensation and comfort. Also helps reshape the vaginal walls and intensify intimate pleasure.
Okay. It actually has no distinctive odor, which I guess is good, especially if you're using it in that area of your body.
Okay.
Next item, number 5, teabag it.
Number 5. Okie dokie. This is tea samples that support the overall vaginal health, starting with the immune system.
Okay.
So we've got...
So we drink this one?
5-day supply of teas. A 5-day supply in our sample bag of organic leaves that will refresh you and leave you feeling divine.
It has a minty scent.
It's a mix of peppermint and spearmint.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. So next item, number 8, groom it.
Okay. So number 8 is shaving cream. It's made with organic shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and neroli essential oils.
Number 3, Lord Moisturizer.
You wanted to say
Lord
mercy.
Hey.
So Lord Moisturizer is used to support natural replenishment of vaginal moisture. It creates a protective barrier and reduces odor, strengthens and tightens. So it also helps maintain your pH balance.
It actually smells very nice. It has a citrusy type of scent.
Okay. What else do we have in here? There's a lot of stuff in this box.
There's a lot of stuff in here. Now, if we're going by number, there are 9 numbered items plus 2 additional things in here. So,
okay.
All right, number 1, Ohh Cleanser.
Okay. So the Ohh Cleanser is all natural, gentle vaginal cleanser that lathers up and removes oils and bacteria. It will leave you refreshed and exhilarated.
Number 7, Hidden Treasure.
Okay. Number 7 is mill herbs wrapped in organic cotton gauze in a pearl-shaped, tethered with loose thread, similar to a tampon. Interesting.
Sure are.
Okay.
They're really small. Y'all can see that.
It did say wash your hands before removing them from the package.
Yeah. Well, you know.
Unravel the string from the pearls and tie a knot close to the pearls for easy removal. Lay on your back with your knees to your chest. We don't need to give you directions for that. I will stop there. When you get your box, it'll tell you what to do with your hidden treasure pearls, okay? But for now, I'm done.
All right. And the last 2 items in the box are tools.
Okay.
Have a washcloth and a shaving tool.
Okay.
All right.
So there's actually one product missing from our box. It is still being produced, but I can tell you a little bit about it. It's product number 10, which is called Work It Out, and it is a egg-shaped stone that will be... Yeah, I'm not going to read that. let's
I'm
just
going to
say
assume that you do Kegel exercises with it.
exactly. It'll help strengthen and tighten your vaginal muscles. Okay, so it's safe to say that Clumsy Queens has got all your lady parts covered.
Yes, most definitely. And I would assume, although we didn't do it in numerical order, that they're numbered to be used in that order.
Yes, I'm assuming so as well. Just to give you an idea of the cost of some of the things in the box, if you were interested in the cleanser, that is $7.50. It comes in several sizes. So this size, I believe, is the $7.50. The next size up would be $15, and a Pamper Yourself size would be $22. Again, keep in mind that all these things are natural. So for the cost, I think this is right on the mark.
That's reasonable.
Yeah. So definitely check out this website. This is a cute gift, I think. I can see myself gifting this to somebody that's newly married, somebody that's been married a long time.
Someone who has children or is about to have a child.
Yeah, it's a great Pamper Yourself item. So I'm excited to have received this package from Clumsy Queen.
Is this box set available?
It is. You can buy it as sets or you can get them as individuals. So the website is clumsyqueens.com. Follow them on Instagram. They're Clumsy Queens on Instagram. But definitely excited to have received this box. We're gonna figure out how we can share these products.
To know how we can review the products.
Let's just say they're great. All right, thanks again, Clumsy Queens, for sending a mom and me this package to try out. We're excited about it. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.